Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon 2021. In this video I am going to show you some integrated motorhomes from French producer Pilote, who's just brought out, never mind these motorhomes, what about that new logo that it's got? The red and the white also looks good in black as well. It looks like a plane. I don't know what they're thinking of when they did it, but it looks like something's flying, which, you know, I mean, it's admittedly it's a motorhome, it's not an aircraft, but it's called Pilote, right? Pilote, right? Pilot in English. A Pilote flies the plane, and it looks a bit like a bird. I think that looks quite good. I mean, some new logos don't always look good. I think that looks good. I'm going to show you in a separate video the new Fiat logo, and I'm going to show you a video of the Fiat logo being described. What's it all about? But anyway, come on to all of that exciting stuff. Oh dear, I'm so excited about seeing the Fiat logo, I've wet myself. Anyway, so, this costs 82,000. It's in the 8-meter class. It's under 8 meters though, I think. And it's got a German layout. It costs 82,000. And right, so 82,000. You would expect something like a double floor, and you've got one here. You've got a bed up there, which is great for hitting your head against. You've got a two burners. Two burners is the in thing. You certainly wouldn't want to pay 82,000 euros and end up with 3 burners and look really odd on the campsite. Just imagine how much people are going to be laughing at you for having 3 burners. Because in 2022, 2 burners is the in thing. So if you see somebody with 3 burners in their motorhome, hey, expect them to be wearing a top hat and riding a penny farthing when they go into town. Right, so here we've got a, that's nothing unusual about that. I'm trying to find something a bit you've never seen before. You haven't seen the layout before. You haven't seen the colour scheme before. Right, so, okay, that'll do for the first one. Sink, as much of a muchness. And I'm just going to show you the integrated vans because, you know, I'm only here until Sunday, so I won't actually be showing you every single in this van. I mean, you've only got a couple of hours to watch this video in, so that'll do. But anyway, what's in here? This is the gas cupboard, and it's locked, so let's assume it's the gas cupboard. Right, this video is about integrated versions. Oh, I didn't explain what an integrated version is. Look, this one here, see this thing here? That's a semi-integrated one. It's semi-integrated because this bit comes from Fiat, right? You can see this is what a Fiat Ducato looks like, right, at the front. It doesn't have a Pilote logo, but it does have this front on it. But on the other hand, oh, I should have walked in, see if people have gone in now. An integrated van has this shape. This was done by the motorhome manufacturer. See how it slopes down? That's their work. And that's all their work. See, in the integrated, it's the manufacturer who built. It's got the chassis from Fiat, and from this bit here, there you are. You see where this has been sort of sellotaped on. That's from Fiat, and that's from Pilote, right? That's an semi-integrated. So this is the integrated version, right? So we'll go in here. This one here is called 81,000. Sorry, it's not. It's 82,000. It costs G74D FGJ Evidence. Don't know what the evidence is. Evidence in French means the same as it does in English. So you've got the word pilote, which means pilot in English, and evidence, which means the same as evidence in English. Alright, so we've got the beds up. Oh, that's handy. You can see all this, look at the storage space, slatted beds. We've got German layout, so there's something that will come there. We've got plenty of storage anyway. So it looks the same. Double floor, 2 burners, looks flash, plenty of space between the 2 of them, and I'm going to clear it out and let these 2 here decide about that. I'll show you I'll show you another garage because later. Here we have the G741 FGJ. So that's 740, this is 741. It's going off in numbers, so presumably the next one's going to be the 742. It's got a great garage. Look at all that space you've got in there. It has, this thing's going to cost 89,000 euros. Again, all in the same similar length, right? 8-meter class. 95 ampere hour battery. Right, this thing here costs, there you go, 89,000. My van's worth about 89 cents, and it's got a far better battery. Got a big table. And the prices don't really mean much actually, because it depends on what the kit it's coming with. And now maybe it's me, but I can't tell the difference. I don't know. Maybe one's got a windscreen wiper that works or something. I can't tell. Yep. Certainly looks the same to me. I'll ask the dog later, she'll know. Alright, so let's move on to the next one. Interesting point from Fiat. I attended the Fiat press conference, which will be published on this exciting YouTube site. Oh dear, I've wet myself again. I'm so excited about it. I bet you have as well. I should have warned people. Anyway, so Fiat was saying, I think it's 50% of the Fiat Ducatos are now supplied in automatic function. I think that was it, or something like that. Right, this is the G690 GJ. Right, that last one was the 741. So now it's going down. Expression again. Expression. What do you think that means in English? Yes, they've all. So this is going to cost 84,000 euros, and let's have a look inside. See if this is exactly the same thing. There's the other three. Note down there, whilst I'm here, the reversing camera, and that you wouldn't want to be on the campsite or anywhere else without either, in my opinion. That and 2 burners. They're the 2 things you want to think about in your van. And right, what's in here? Right, so that's four vans so far, exactly the same. Bet they're having me on here. They've just put the same van in 6 times. So I'll come round. They all cost the same amount of money, and see if I notice the difference. There was Tony Blackburn, a British disc jockey. He once played the same tune, one of his own pieces of music at that. I've forgotten what it was, 14 times in a row. And when he was questioned, he said it was because somebody said to him that all the music sounded the same these days. G740 JG Expression, 85,000. Right. So now the front chair's gone down like that, I think, so to demonstrate the bed. Let's see if I can demonstrate the bed without breaking it. I don't want to. No, there's some. Sorry, I really need to use 2 hands. There is a little bit of resistance, so I'm not going to break the bed and end up having to pay 85,000 euros for it. To find out that everyone else has got exactly the same van. Ooh, that would be awful, wouldn't it? Right, so this is the final integrated van that I'm going to show you. Now, according to this here, they've got 4, 5, 6, 7, and these ones are on Alco chassis, so you wouldn't see the difference too much within them. Let's have a look. And there's the semi-integrated ones. Right, so this one here is the G740C. Oh, it's got a different thing at the back. Oh, this one's going to look different as well. It's 86,720. It can come with Alde heating if you want. That'll be extra. And rather than having Truma, Alde I think is slightly better. I don't know what to say. 2 burners, kitchen exactly the same. But what isn't exactly the same is out here at the back. Look at that. All this space here, around here with this queen bed. Let's have a look under the queen bed. There you go. And the queen bed, actually, part of it, as I note, will go up. Let's see if I can pull it up. Is there any limit to my strength? Oh no, I can't get it down. Right. As you may have noticed, down below there is a chest of drawers. So, if you don't want a German layout, get one of these. Good job the lights were already on, so I didn't turn them on. Toilet's the same. Right, so that is the selection of integrated motorhomes which are here at Caravan Salon 2021 from Pilote, and maybe I ought now to do a video on the semi-integrated vans. 1 or 2 of them are quite unusual. But anyway, thanks for watching. All the best from Caravan Salon Düsseldorf 2021.